Hi everyone. As you all know, Thanksgiving season is going on. So I found an opportunity to give something back to my subscribers. So with that objective, I am creating this particular video. So couple of you are going to get free credits for one of the keyword research tool that I found very effective. So let me get started with the details. At the end of this video, I am going to tell you what you need to do to be part of this particular process. So let's get started. The tool that we are going to talk today about is Keyword Chef. So two common questions or two most popular questions that I get from most of you is, one is about niche selection, second one is about keyword research. For niche selection, I normally ask you to go as per your comfort, strength and the resources. For whenever you ask me about keyword research, I almost always refer you to watch my Android video. So this is the video I am talking about. If you are not yet watched, please go and check it out. What I normally do in as per the process that I normally follow is, I take the base keywords or a dump of keywords from any of the tools, and then use manually search each of the keyword in Google. And if I find top forums or user generated content or weak low domain authority sites in the top 10 results, normally I pick those keywords. I consider them as the low competition keyword. That's in nutshell the process that I follow, that I demonstrated here in this particular video. And by default, almost this is what I refer whenever any of you ask me about the process to identify low competition keywords. Now what this particular tool does is, this automates that particular process that I have been following. That's what made me attracted toward this tool, and also made me to create this particular video, because this is exactly in sync with the process that I follow. So before we talk about the benefit, let me show you the quick demo of this particular tool, how this works. So you can see, yes, there are various options are there. You can pick depending on what you want. If you want to see only questions, you can go for it, or if you want to identify the keywords, affiliate keywords using the best option, you can go for it, or you want to do a comparison of the two topics or products, also you can go for it, or if you want to create how to guides, you choose that. So you have multiple options here. For example, let's say, let me pick up key in one keyword. So remove nail polish, let me put that keyword, and then you can actually pick any of the options here. So for example, if I say questions and then search for this topic, what it does is, it will actually show you there are about 160 different questions are there, and if I click this get keywords, then only the credits will be deducted. So meantime, you can also exclude some of the keywords having these words. If you feel like we don't want to have any keywords with alcohol, or you want to have any keywords with sanitizer, some of these things you can actually exclude them. So then your the credits and also keywords will also come down. For example, if you take it out, so suddenly you see here 11 got deducted, 140 only, it will show you 149 results and 149 credits will be deducted. So likewise, you can actually pick up anything, you either best or compare or whatever it is, or how to let's say remove nail polish, then it will actually show you the keywords that you can use for how to guides. There are about 156 different how to kind of keywords are there associated with remove nail polish. Now you can basically pick any of this. So let me actually say get the keywords. If you click the get the keywords, then it will list all those 156 keywords for you. So I just click the option. Unless you select for the get the keywords, it won't the credits won't be deducted. Now you can see the credits got deducted from the balance. Now there are few attributes here. The average, this is the average volume, high volume, low volume, these are all very normal, and you know about the search volumes and all that. The most interesting attribute and is here something called SERP. So let me get all SERPs, then it will be more easy for me to explain you what it is. So what it does is, it will actually go and analyze each of the keywords, and it will look for top 10 results for each of that keyword and do some analysis. If any of those top 10 results got forums or user generated content, and then it will assign a number, some indicator to this SERP attribute, which will help us to decide whether it is a low competition or high competition. So this is exactly the manual process that I also follow. If you remember what I do, I take each of the keyword manually and go and look in Google. So if I find, let's say, 3 or 4 weak spots, that means if user generated content or forums or low domain authority site, then I normally pick those keywords as the low competition keywords. That's exactly the process this tool also does, but it does very fast, and for all set of keywords it does in a quick time. So see, this is done, it has updated everything. So let me click this particular option, then we will see basically the results, how each of the keyword SERP ranking is. Now you can see here. So what it says is, out of 10 results for this particular keyword, there are nearly 7 spots that are relatively weak spots. You can see here, if you mouse over this on this particular keyword, you can see here 7 forums or user generated content sites are there. So it's extremely easy. So if you can publish a high quality content, it will be very easy for you to go to rank on top 10. And then you found, then the third one is, you have a 6 weak spots. It shows, if you mouse over, it shows what are those 6 spots, and then it basically shows you in the descending order. Then after 4, basically it was marked as amber, because this is relatively moderately competitive, which is not as easy as the keywords that are now appearing on the top. Because in top 10, if you find 5 or 6 or 7 forums or user generated content, that's extremely easy. You write a medium quality content and publish, then also you have very good opportunity to rank. Now just see, out of total 316 keywords that we analyzed, how many are there in the green? So 3, 6, 9, 12, 14 in green, and about 9, right? Yeah, 9 in amber. So nearly about 21, 22 keywords, about 8 to 9% of keywords are moderate or low competition. I would actually go for anything above, anything in amber or green, because if you find 3 weak spots in top 10, I will actually go for that particular keyword. And if you have 4 or 5 or more than that, no second thought, you can actually just close your eyes, go for that particular keyword. So this is the most effective attribute or feature that I found in the keyword tool, and it is exactly in sync to what I do as part of my process. That's what made me to be attracted towards this particular tool. Got it? So let me actually take through the benefits that I found for with this particular tool. So you have, one is the productivity improvement. So just imagine now, if I have to find these many keywords manually, it is going to take so many hours of my effort. Typically what happens is, if I sit for about, let's say, 1 or 2 hours, I normally find 3 to 4 low competition keywords through manual process. So here, if you are talking about nearly 20 to 24, so that means it would take about nearly 10 to 12 hours easily for me. Couple of one full day, or maybe 1.5 days kind of effort. Even if I take 1 full day, it is 8 to 10 hours. Now it took hardly about 2 to 3 minutes of time for us to identify these keywords. So that is very effective. It is going to save huge amount of time and effort. That's the most topmost benefit. And next one is keyword ideas. So another important thing that you need to notice is, we picked up the keyword like this one, remove nail polish as the keyword. But how do you even know to check all these keywords if you want to do a manual analysis? Normally what I normally do is, I go to Ahrefs and take the dump, or I go to some other keyword tool and take the dump, and then start doing the analysis. So it may not be only 360, those tools may give you many keywords, and then you need to do the filter and slicing and dicing and all that. And also every tool is different, so some other tools may be missing some of this 0 search volume keywords and all that. So this particular tool actually taps all those low competition keywords irrespective of the volume and all that. That's basically another very important benefit that I found using this particular tool. So it also provides you new keyword ideas. The next one is search options. So there is one option called wildcard. So let me show you what it is. So there are, as I have shown you, there are multiple options are there. If you go to discover tab, so there are multiple options are there, right? Questions, best, compare, how to, and all that. There is something called wildcard. What it is for example, if you want to say how to remove star nail polish, so look for it and then search for it. So what it says is, in between whatever potential words are there, it will insert those words. For example, how to remove easy gel nail polish. So because you have inserted star in between, so it will actually pull out all the keywords with having a different varied terms in the place where we actually use the star mark. This is very effective. This manually, this is almost, I would say, impossible to tap all 100% keywords that basically covering all those the middle phrases. So this is another unique feature that I found with this particular tool. So in between the phrases, you use that wildcard, then it will actually pull all different permutations and combinations there. So that's the third benefit that I found. And the fourth one is, this is another interesting thing. So it also helps you in creating the article structure. So normally what I do is, let me go to the reports, just let's look at the one of the report we just generated. This is the one, right? So if you actually mouse over, it shows you the top 10 results, and also there is something called for PAA. Let me actually click on it, what it is. So there are 4 similar questions and 4 people also asked questions. So if I decide to go with this particular topic, what I normally do is I create an outline to give it to writers. While creating an outline, I again go to Google and look for basically the various questions that people asked, and also what are all the similar questions. Then I will try to basically combine these things and come up with some kind of a heading, subheadings to pass on to writers. Otherwise, it will be difficult to get effective content from the writer. Now again, that process is eliminated. Straight away for each of the keywords, there are 4 keywords associated with that similar, and 4 people also asked questions. So using these 8, you can almost create an outline of the article. That also saves the time, and also basically the coverage is very easy. So this is the another benefit I identified using this particular tool. And the last one, so accessibility of the founder. So Ben is the guy who created this particular tool. He is very active in Facebook groups, and whenever we ask him any question, he is very responsive, and he also basically takes the suggestions. So far so good. That is another benefit. So whenever we have any issue or problem or clarification, I think this is going to help very much. So these are the key benefits that I already identified with this by using this particular tool. So if any of you are interested or actually looking for some kind of a tool to make your keyword research process easy, probably this is the best tool that you can go for. So now what is happening is, there is an offer going on because of the Black Friday. So here it is. Earlier it used to be for $20, 1200 credits used to be there. Now it's doubled till I think offer is there only up to probably only till December 1st, another maybe 3 or 4 days, that's all. So if you are interested, if you are looking for some kind of this tool, go ahead and purchase it. I am going to leave my affiliate link in the description. Please you use that link, and then if you are interested, go and sign it up. It's a free to sign up. Once you sign up, there will be 1000 credits. Here you can see, get free 1000 keywords. 1000 credits will be credited to your account. No credit card details are required, just to sign up. On top of it, if you want to purchase more credits, so you can go for any of this plan. I just went for the big plan, the $250 plan, because I know very well that I am going to extensively use this particular tool. So there is an offer for next 3-4 days. Please leverage it. So how to get now how to be part of the giveaway? So let me explain you. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pick 2 lucky winners, purely draw basis, and then Ben agreed to give 10,000 free credits to each of those 2 lucky winners. Okay, so what you all need to do is, In next 24 hours, you just comment in under my YouTube video, and then after 24 hours I am going to pick all the comments and then just run a draw and pick 2 winners there. So now the time is 1 AM PST. It's November 27. When I am actually scheduling this particular video, it is at 2:30 PM IST because a lot of you are from India. I am going to leave this video for all of you to comment for next 24 hours. So the latest time when you can comment to be part of this particular process is 1 AM PST November 28th. It is at 2:30 PM IST November 28th. So I will stop there and then I will pick all the comments at that particular time. So after 24 hours and then run a basically select 2 winners from those list of comments, and then I will let those 2 winners to send me an email, and Ben will actually help me to arrange 10,000 free credits to each of those lucky winners. That's very simple. Just go ahead and comment in the below the YouTube video, below this particular video, and if you want to give your email, please do give your email, but that's not mandatory. And also I request you to share this video with all your friends and also other people who are looking for this kind of tools. They will, one is they will get benefited with the whatever may the information that I am sharing, and also maybe they also may be the lucky winners, right? So that's all the details I just wanted to share. So go ahead and comment under the video. And also I want to take this opportunity to let you know that there are good other offers going on because this is the season. So if you have any plans to purchase some good hosting or some other tools, please go and explore it. So here are some of the things that I normally use and recommend. I use SiteGround for hosting of my starter sites. So there is about 73% discount is going on. And then WPX is there is a sale going on. I normally move the site once it grows. I normally move to WPX. And this is another good hosting, and also almost this is a default plugin I use in all my sites for Amazon affiliate, Amazon Press. There is a 50% sale is going on. So I am going to leave all these links in the description. So if you are thinking about purchasing any of these things, please use that link and then you can go ahead and purchase, or else also you can directly visit the sites and then make the purchase as you wish. So that's all for today. These are the details I just wanted to share. If you have any questions, please do ask in the comment section. Thanks for your time. Bye.